Welcome to Hello Mandarin Now. I'm so glad you're here. Today we'll learn the most essential Chinese phrases, greetings, and expressions of gratitude. By the end of this video, you'll be able to say hello, goodbye, thank you, you're welcome, sorry, and no problem, all in natural Mandarin Chinese. These are the building blocks of every conversation. Let's get started. Here is a quick preview of everything you will learn today. Listen carefully to each word in Chinese first, then its English meaning. Don't worry about remembering them all right now, we'll go through each one in detail very soon.
你好
Hello.
你好
Formal hello.
谢谢
Thank you.
不客气
You're welcome.
再见
Goodbye.
对不起
Sorry, excuse me.
没关系
No problem, it's okay.
你好
Our first word is
你好
which means hello. This is the most common greeting in Mandarin and works in almost every casual situation, meeting a friend, greeting a shopkeeper, or starting a conversation. The word
你
means you, and
好
means good, so literally it means you good? A very friendly, warm way to greet someone. Use it any time of day.
你好
Our second word is
你好
the formal version of hello. The character
您
is a polite, respectful form of you, used when speaking to elders, teachers, bosses, or anyone you want to show extra respect to. Think of it like the difference between hey and good day, sir. In Chinese culture, showing respect through language is very important, so this word is extremely useful.
谢谢
Now let's learn.
谢谢
Which means thank you. This is one of the most important phrases in any language. You'll use
谢谢
constantly in daily life, at restaurants, shops, when someone helps you, or just to show appreciation. You can also say
谢谢你
to make it slightly more personal, meaning thank you, you. It's warm, natural, and always appreciated.
不客气
The natural response to
谢谢
is,
不客气
which means you're welcome. Literally it means don't be polite, which is a lovely Chinese way of saying no need to thank me. Another common and more casual way to say you're welcome is
没事
which means it's nothing. But
不客气
is the classic, polite response and a must-know phrase for any beginner.
再见
Our next word is
再见
which means goodbye. The character
再
means again and
见
means to see, so
再见
literally means see you again, what a beautiful farewell. A more casual alternative is
拜拜
borrowed from the English bye-bye, which is very popular among young people in China. Both are widely used and completely natural.
对不起
Our sixth word is
对不起
which means sorry or excuse me. Use this when you've made a mistake or want to apologize sincerely. If you just need to get someone's attention, like squeezing past someone on a crowded bus, you can use the lighter phrase
不好意思
which means excuse me or pardon me. Both are very handy in everyday situations in China.
没关系
Our final vocabulary word is
没关系
which means no problem or it's okay. This is the natural, warm response when someone apologizes to you. The word
没
means not have and
关系。
Means connection or relation, so literally it's saying there's no connection to any issue. How reassuring. You can also use
没事。
in a casual setting, which simply means no matter or it's nothing.
你好，我叫李华。
你好，很高兴认识您。
Practical example time. Imagine you are meeting someone for the first time, maybe a new colleague at work. You walk up and say,
你好，我叫李华。
Hello. My name is Li Hua. If the person is older or in a senior position, they might respond formally.
你好，很高兴认识您。
Hello. Very pleased to meet you. Notice the switch from casual
你好，
to the more respectful.
你好，
That little change shows great manners.
谢谢你帮助我。
不客气，这是我应该做的。
Now imagine a kind stranger helps you carry your heavy bags at a train station. You smile and say,
谢谢你帮助我。
Thank you for helping me. The generous person waves it off warmly and replies,
不客气，这是我应该做的。
You're welcome, it's what I should do. This response is a lovely, humble phrase that shows the famous Chinese value of modesty. Knowing how to exchange thanks and replies like this will make people love talking to you.
对不起，我不小心碰到你了。
没关系，不用担心。
For our third example, imagine you're walking through a busy market and you accidentally bump into someone. You quickly say,
对不起，我不小心碰到你了。
Sorry, I accidentally bumped into you. The other person smiles and replies reassuringly,
没关系，不用担心。
No problem, don't worry about it. The phrase
不用担心
means no need to worry, a very kind and common thing to say in Chinese. Short, sweet, and situation resolved. Excellent work. Let's do a final review of all the words you learned today. See how many you remember. I'll say each word in Chinese first, then give you the English meaning. Ready?
你好，
Hello.
你好，
Formal hello.
谢谢，
Thank you.
不客气，
You're welcome.
再见，
Goodbye.
对不起，
Sorry, excuse me.
没关系。
No problem, it's okay. Now let's review all the sentences from today's lesson. Listen to each sentence in Chinese first, then its English meaning. These are real phrases you can use right away.
你好，我叫李华。
Hello. My name is Li Hua.
你好，很高兴认识您。
Hello. Very pleased to meet you.
谢谢你帮助我。
Thank you for helping me.
不客气，这是我应该做的。
You're welcome, it's what I should do.
对不起，我不小心碰到你了。
Sorry, I accidentally bumped into you.
没关系，不用担心。
No problem, don't worry about it.
再见。
That's all for today's lesson on hello and thank you, the basics. Keep practicing and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell on at Hello Mandarin Now.
再见。